What's up, Millie Mafia? Okay, I'm back today with another wig install video. If you hear my boyfriend in the background, just please ignore him. He's playing the game and he's oh so loud. But here we go. I'm starting off with a nice foundation. She has like about 10-12 braids going straight back. And I applied a nude cap, and now you see me applying makeup that's closest to her skin tone. You want to use powder makeup that's closest to your client's skin tone only because it makes for a seamless transition between the cap and their skin when you apply the wig. I have a couple different techniques for creating scalp under the wig, but I'm just gonna start off with the basic techniques, and as my channel grows, I'll show you guys more techniques that I use. So after that, I'm going in to mold the cap down, and I'm using Got to Be Free spray. And y'all already know I use about like 2 layers on each side to make sure it's molded. And it really doesn't matter what you blow dry this on. I use cool to warm heat. You can use hot. It really doesn't matter. The trick to the Got to Be Free spray is the less you touch it, it won't create that white cast on the cap. So you want to keep your hands out of it once you spray it on the cap. So you see me doing the other side now. And this just makes for a good molding. So some people do 1 layers, but I do 2 because I feel like the 2 gives the cap a nice hold and it doesn't go anywhere. So yeah. So here I am sewing the cap down. I usually sew, well not usually, but I sew from the first braid all the way down to the back across to the other braid on the other side. So that's what I'm doing now. And this is just extra security to keep your cap in place, because if you didn't know, once your cap starts moving underneath your install is about to start slipping on you, sis. So the longer your foundation is down, the longer your install will last. So the next thing I do is I start cutting the cap from around the client's ear. I do both ears, and then I split the cap up the middle and start cutting down from the middle. And it's really no technique to this. You just want to cut the cap in front of their hairline so that when you're laying the glue down, it doesn't get in their hair or their hairline, and it doesn't even make contact with the hair at all. Now the next important step is cleaning their hairline with alcohol. If you skip this step, there's a chance that the adhesive won't do its job and your wig won't stick. It'll be oily. So you want to make sure you go ahead and clean their hairline. I use 91% alcohol, and I clean the hairline. Now it's time to try on the wig. The wig that we're using today is from my wig collection, and it was custom colored by me. It's already customized, so all we had to do was install it today. So first I just I split the wig by the ears, because these are where we're going to create our ear tabs from when we lay the wig down. So you see me cutting out the ears, and then I'm going to jump into applying the glue. The glue that we're using today is the BoldHold system. I'm using 2 strips of the tape on each side by her ear, and then 3 layers of the glue. I'm using the original BoldHold, which is in the white bottle with the green label. I actually love this glue. It has a great hold, and it's the glue I've been using lately. I used 3 layers of this glue, so if you see me speed up the video, it's kind of like self-explanatory. You lay down 1 layer, and then I spread it out really thin, and then I let it dry clear, apply the 2nd layer, repeat, and then apply the 3rd layer. So after that 3rd layer dries clear, I just bring the wig forward to match up to her hairline. And my son just told me to y'all, this is crazy. Anyway, so I bring the wig forward, and I have my clients hold each side while I blow dry it. So now I'm gonna cut around her ear. You see the excess lace? I'm gonna go kind of like in a circular cut around her ear for each side. My son is basically trying to shut me up, and it's like boring. I'm trying to create a YouTube video, just chicken. This is crazy. moving on to the back of the wig. Did I tell you guys this was a 360? Boy, I'm not shutting up. Damn. Did I tell you? Okay, and I'm making a video. So anyway, mommy is making a video. So anyway, hello, no interruptions. These people do not want no interruptions. Oh my God, I'm not gonna argue with you right now. So, oh my God, jumping into the video to the back. This is a 360 wig, so you don't have to do this with a lace front wig, but my client informed me that she was gonna be hanging from the ceiling this particular weekend, so we decided to add glue to the back and sew it down. So I don't know if I have a clip of me sewing the wig down, but I did add 2 pieces of tape to each side, and you guys are gonna see me gluing the back down as well. Y'all know what's crazy? I'm laying the hell out of wig and my shit is talking. Do y'all see that? Like, my shit is barely on my head. That's crazy. So her back is about done. I go piece by piece. Literally after I put the tape down, I go in sections with the glue to make sure it's just not a hot ass mess in the back, because nobody wants a messy ass. Like, it gets gooky back there and you want to keep it as clean as possible. So I make sure all the layers are flat in the back, nicely blow dried, and you know, just neat. So yeah, her back is about done, so she could put this wig in a high ponytail if she wanted, which is kind of the reason why I really recommend 360s and full laces most of the time. So yeah. So now I'm using a sharp razor to cut the excess lace off in the front. Reason being, like I told you guys in my last video, the razor just gives it a more clean cut. It's not like perfect like the scissors would make it. It's more of a rigid cut, which is a more natural look on the lace when it's up against your skin. So like, if you guys can barely see, like, you can't tell where I did my cut. It just blends right into her skin, which is what you're going for. Perfect. So I'm going to cut off both sides with the razor comb, and you want to make sure it's sharp, because if it's not, you will not get the cut that you want, and that's not cute. That's not cute. But yeah, here we go. I'm cutting it off. And then after this, I'm going to jump into her baby hairs. And my fault, you guys. I had almost forgot, like, I was recording this. And I'm just jumping my white ass all in the video. So you guys could barely see me laying her baby hairs. You just see me just doing it. But you just don't see, like, what I'm doing. I promise my next video is going to be 10 times better than this one. Just bear with me, please. that most of my clients dread, the hot comb part, and we finna lay everything down. I'm sorry that this is out of focus. Not even out of focus, but it's not like showing her complete head. But I'm just really hot combing her sides and slaying them things. The hot comb, it just makes everything look so much flatter, so much better. Makes the appearance 10 times better. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm doing both sides. And then for the top, where her part is at, I used some Cara Care Edge Wax and laid that down. And then went over it with the hot comb. Her part was already plucked prior to when I customized the wig, so we didn't have to do that. Yeah, baby shark. So we didn't have to do that. So yeah, basically this install is done. She's wearing the Cambodian curly, so after I did that, I just wet her down, and then I'm gonna use some mousse. I'm using the Afro G mousse to just define her curls some more, and then we're done. Bless your poo.